In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to enhance your document with visual elements or need to highlight key areas with simple graphics, mastering this skill can be incredibly useful. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Docs and press Enter. From the search results, click on the link to open Google Docs. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. This step is crucial because it allows you to access and edit your documents. Once you're logged in, open the document where you'd like to add shapes. If you don't have a specific document in mind, you can always create a new one. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar. Click on Insert to open a drop-down menu with various options. As you're scrolling through, hover your mouse over the Drawing option. This action will reveal another drop-down menu. Here, select New. Doing this will open a new dialog box featuring a drawing canvas, a designated area for creating your shapes. In the toolbox that appears, locate the shape icon. It resembles a small circle overlapping a square. This icon is your gateway to a variety of shape options. Click on it, and you'll be presented with several categories, including shapes, arrows, and callouts. Choose the type of shape that best suits your needs. Once you've picked your desired category, select the specific shape you'd like to add to your document. Next, move your mouse to the canvas, click, and drag to draw the selected shape. If you already know the exact proportions you need, here's a little tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging. This action maintains the shape's proportions, enabling you to draw perfect squares or circles. Once you're satisfied with your shape, you'll need to insert it into your document. To do this, click Save and Close. This action will automatically place the shape in your document. Now, you have the option to adjust the shape's placement and size further. Simply click on it within the document to move it around or resize as necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your Google Doc with a custom shape. Feel free to experiment with different shapes and sizes to suit your document's layout and provide additional visual interest. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in expanding your Google Docs skills.